Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new episode of Where to Watch series. So today I'm going to talk about Wicked. So if you're wondering where Wicked is streaming, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to make your life easy and convenient. So Wicked is available in Peacock TV as well. Likewise, if you go ahead and look for the browser, then you could type in Wicked Where to Watch. You could find out that it's available on different platforms. So you could go ahead and check out that it's also available in the Amazon. It's also available in some other secure platform like Amazon Prime, or you could cosmopolitan.com as well. Or else you could scroll down a bit and you could go ahead and check where it is actually available. If you want to go with the Cosmopolitan, you could go ahead and get a subscription or sign in into your account and start watching this show. So this way you'll be able to watch Wicked on your mainstream platform. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.